We will be performing our experiment at Playground Equipment Dedicated in memory of Bradley Miller.
For our relative motion experiment, we decided to test when a tennis ball is dropped from a swing in motion, how will its trajectory be affected by the pendulum motion of the swing?
Our hypothesis is the trajectory of the ball will mirror the pendulum motion of the swing, and we will be able to see in the footage a swinging motion of the ball from the perspective of the swing.
Alright, first we'll be dropping the ball from the swing. Try to pay attention to the motion of the ball and not the guy swinging on it. He is a good swinger, but this experiment's about the ball, not him. And then we'll be throwing the ball from the swing. See how it goes.
Our supplies include a tennis ball and a swing set.
In our first setup of our experiment, we will be watching a ball from two perspectives. One, a person standing from the side of the swing, and the swing itself and the person in it. On our first experiment, we will drop the ball and record the video data we receive from both angles. We will repeat this multiple times. In our second experiment, we will throw the ball from the swing in an underhanded motion, and again we will have two camera angles, and we will analyze the recorded video data. Now let's compare the trajectories. A person swinging will throw the ball underhanded so that it'll create an arc like this, as one would expect. Now looking at the other model, from the perspective of the swinging person, we expect their trajectory to look more like this. The person will throw it when they're at the back of their swing, so they will be swinging forward, and they see the ball move upward at a much more accelerated rate than at the above model. And then perhaps if we have enough time, we will also see the ball moving downward at an accelerated rate.
This is the ball dropping when it's not affected by pendulum motion from the swing. This is the controlled throw of the tennis ball without the motion of the swing.
You're on film.
I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you wait. I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you wait. Sometimes I think sitting on trains. Every step I get to, I'm clocking that game. Everyone's a winner, we're making our fame. Bonafide hustler, making my name. Sometimes I think sitting on trains. Every step I get to, I'm clocking that game. Everyone's a winner, we're making our fame. Bonafide hustler, making my name.
Film. Take 3. Projectile throw. Very nice, that was a good one. Projectile throw, 2, 4. Loosening it at the back of the swing.
Lethal poison for the system. Pirate skulls and bones.
That made a different motion.
Sticks and stones and weed and bombs. Running when we hit 'em. Lethal poison for the system. No one on the corner has swagger like us. Hit me on my banner, prepaid wireless. We pack and deliver like UPS trucks. Already going hell, just pumping that gas. No one on the corner has swagger like us. Hit me on my banner, prepaid
slow the recording down, the ball appears to travel down, even when it may be going upward in its arc.
MIA, third world democracy. Yeah, I got more records than the KGB. So, no funny business. You already are.
Yet again, we see when we slow it down, the ball goes downward. Again, maybe evidence that the ball is showing pendulum motion from the swing. This clip is very interesting in the fact we see the ball twice. We see the ball being released, and again it goes down like we would expect from the other recordings. But notice also we see it when we're coming back down in the swinging motion, and it looks like it's going up. So it's obviously picking up the pendulum motion of the swing, because at that point it would be going down.
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
Interestingly, in this video, we'll see our swinger releasing the ball, and although it is very early in its motion, it appears to be going downward.
Well, we're done for the day. Swingy, what did you think the ball did when you dropped it?
It went forward.
It went forward. Did it look like it had a pendulum curve?
Yeah, it looked pretty pendular.
So Charlotte, are we agreeing that the ball did a pendulum motion?
Well, there were only a few seconds to judge by just by the nature of our experiment, but in those few seconds we repeated it a few times, and it did look like the ball was pendular in its trajectory.
You heard it from the experts,
we're sweating.
folks.
I'm hot, need a shower.
Well, okay, we didn't need to hear that. We're signing off.
For several weeks of shows, and when you scan the radio, I hope this song will guide you. They won't see us waiting for such great heights. Come down now, they'll say that everything is perfect from far away. Come down now, but we'll stay. I tried my best to leave this all on your machine, but the persistent beat, it sounded thin upon listening. And that, frankly, will not fly. You will hear the shrillest highs and lowest lows with the windows down.
Have it a little bit off the ceiling now, because we taped it up against.
We are taping the camera to the swing so it will stay more steady while the swingy is swinging.
You can just like cut it now, and then where it goes to.
Projectile throw.